So on today's video, I am going thrifting and I'm hoping to take you along. I hope that the shelves are stocked with stuff. I know it's garage sale season here in Michigan and lots of people have already started. So let's hope for the best. So I spy these cute little tins, a set of 3. They're $2.09 a piece. But unfortunately, so far tins with greenery that I've been doing have not been selling, so I'm going to steer clear for those. But this is a cute little tin. Then knowing I can go to the Dollar General and get birds for $1 a piece, I will pass on these cute birds. This actually matches some crockery containers just like this that I have in all 3 colors, so it's funny to have one that has all 3 colors on it. So the inside of these are blue, so that's not what I'm looking for. I try to go with something that coordinates with my color, but it'll be a nice find for somebody else. I could have done that texture paint on it, but I couldn't find a price on them anyway. Is anybody watching? I love to dig through shelves when it's packed like this. Oh, I do like it when it's packed. I think the price said $4.09, but I wasn't sure if it was for the set of those or not. But I haven't sold any that I already have in my booth, so I'll pass. So now I'm on my way to the second Goodwill and I spy these cute little oil and vinegar that somebody has hand painted. I wish they'd sell them as a set and not separately. It's funny, when you come often enough, that bunny little wagon has been there forever. But of course, here I go again. Those creamers just call my name. Yvonne, pick me up, take me home. I don't know why I have a problem with cute little milk creamers. I don't really consider myself a trendy person, but does Goodwill know what's trending? 1009 on that tray. If I could count the hands of everybody raising their hands right now that wants to cut this changing table apart just to get those spindles. Cute and funny is this bowling pin ashtray. I'm pretty sure that's probably vintage. I was so happy to take you along thrifting with me, though it was a quick trip. I only went into 2 thrift stores. I was nice to see that the shelves were packed. I did not actually pick up a ton. I'm staying away from a lot of the littles. I have a lot of littles, and sometimes they're not cost efficient to flip, especially now that I got all those birds from the Dollar General for $1. So I will stay clear of those for right now until I need more birds. So I'm going to share with you what I got while I was out thrifting. So at the first Goodwill, I did pick up this paper towel holder. They do sell. I get painted up, put a little something up there. So for $2.09, what a great flip, because I can sell this for $24. So that's very cost efficient. Needs a little bit of work, but that's okay. And then for $1.09, I did pick up some for fruit. So this is an apple and a pear and a banana. And if you watched my texture paint video, I painted some apples up cement. So that's what I will do to these and display it in a bowl. So $1.09, that's a great investment. And then I don't know if you saw this one. This was $3.09. When I go through the stores, when I'm taking you shopping with me, I video the first time I go down. So then I go down, always go down a second time. I'm one way and then the other way. I'm glad the arrows are off the floors now so that I can go the other way. So my second time around, I spotted this label. It's a fabric softener. It's actually got a ceramic lid. Whether it was a fact, I don't know. I thought it was a cool bottle. People are decorating in their laundry rooms. I might even use it in my laundry room someday. We'd love to redo our laundry room, but is there ever enough time in the day? So I thought that was a unique little find. Now at the second Goodwill, I did pick up these two creamers. I absolutely love this one. It's probably Ray Dunn inspired, but it's not. $2.09. You're gonna tell me it's probably dollar store. I don't know. I don't know who it is, but I absolutely love it. I love black and white. And then this one was $4.09, but the nice lady laughed and said she gave them both to me for $2.09 a piece. So, and this one says milk and some silver writing. So I have a problem with creamers. And I've actually flipped some of these birds before. That didn't sound right. Anyway, I made over these birds. $4.09. They were all $4.09. I painted it cement. They have sold. This one has a little crack, but with that texture paint, it doesn't matter. And then this one was $3.09. Now I will say I was filming those shelves. I almost had the pig watering can episode where a lady actually picked this one up and she was looking at the birds, and I thought, it's not meant to be then. If God wants me to have them, she will put them back down and walk away. And she did. So chickens all painted up, just a plain color, sell really well. I love when they're resin, a little less breakable than the ceramic, so I absolutely love that. And if you were wondering, I did get the set. Oh, look, aren't these just the cutest little side tables? Matching set, $6.09 a piece. I love the size, guys. Look how easily I can pick it up. So two of them, they're $6.09 a piece. Fun little legs. Definitely get a spray job and not have to hand paint these. Excited, we got a new handheld Graco sprayer. No more hoppers for us. Oh, the struggles with those hoppers. I don't know how you all do it. Once you've used the Graco sprayer that just power sprays, you get a little bit on the spoiled side. So I love this. We're out of matching end tables, so Chris had just said, hey, if you see any matching end tables, well, here we go. So thank you so much for going thrifting with me. I know it was a quick little video. I'm trying to be picky. I've got a lot of stuff for our August garage sale. Not like I'm trying to advertise it. I like to let people know that not everything sells. You have to rotate things in your booth. And you know, every time you put out a new video, you got new stuff and people want to see the new stuff in your booth. So if it sat there for a while, Chris has kind of come up with an inventory system where not only does it have a number, like I think we're into the 3000s now, but then it also has, like he has me put the date. So like 5/3247, which is now helping that we know how long an item has sat there. Sometimes I can't always remember So, and maybe you all do that, but I just wanted to share it with you. Because sometimes you have a hutch in there and you have the hutch all staged, then somebody buys the hutch and then you have to bring all the items home because you have no place to put the hutch items. You know, what sits on a table or a dresser doesn't sit the same as it sits in a hutch. So, but I'm constantly thrifting and I'm constantly making over, so I don't want you to think that every single item in our booth sells. My vision isn't always somebody else's vision, and you just have to rotate your stuff. So there's a little letdown there, or little, I just like to share with you all. So anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video and going thrifting with me. I am so happy when the shelves are full, and I know that it's garage sale season, so what people don't sell at their garage sale, hopefully they will be donating it to the Goodwills and the thrift stores. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.